In today's data-driven world, business intelligence tools are essential for organizations looking to analyze and visualize data effectively. Companies rely on BI platforms to generate insights, track key performance metrics, and make data-driven decisions. However, with so many BI tools available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Among the leading BI solutions in 2025, Looker, Power BI, and Tableau stand out as three of the most powerful and widely adopted platforms. Each of these tools excels in data visualization, analytics, and reporting, but they cater to different business needs and user expertise levels. Whether you're a small business looking for a budget friendly analytics tool, a large enterprise needing advanced visualization, or a tech company requiring deep data modeling, one of these tools will be the right fit for you. In this guide, we'll break down Looker, Power BI, and Tableau, highlighting their key features, benefits, and ideal use cases to help you determine which BI tool best suits your needs. So first, let's talk about Looker. So Looker, now part of Google Cloud, is a cloud-based BI tool known for its data modeling, real-time analytics, and deep integration with SQL databases. It is a popular choice for tech companies, data teams, and organizations that require embedded analytics. For its key features and benefits, first it has the LookML data modeling. Looker's LookML modeling language allows users to define reusable data models, ensuring accuracy and consistency across an organization. This reduces repetitive query writing, making data analysis more efficient. Another key feature is its embedded analytics. Businesses can integrate Looker's dashboards and analytics directly into web apps and business applications. This allows customers and teams to access insights without switching platform. Another key feature is its real-time data exploration. Looker connects directly to databases, enabling real-time data analysis without pre-aggregated extracts. This ensures users always work with the most up-to-date information. So why is Looker a great choice? Looker is best suited for companies that require advanced data modeling, embedded analytics, and seamless Google Cloud integration. It's particularly valuable for tech firms, SaaS businesses, and enterprises looking for SQL-based real-time analytics. Now let's talk about Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a cost-effective and user-friendly BI tool designed for businesses that rely on Excel, Azure, and Office 365 for data management and reporting. It is widely adopted by small to mid-sized businesses, corporate teams, and financial analysts. For its key features and benefits, first is its AI-powered insights. Power BI uses Microsoft AI and machine learning to detect trends, identify anomalies, and generate automated insights. This helps businesses make proactive, data-driven decisions. Another key feature is its seamless Microsoft integration. Power BI works smoothly with Excel, SharePoint, Teams, and Dynamics 365, making it an ideal choice for Microsoft centric organizations. This provides a familiar interface and reduces the learning curve for Microsoft users. So why is Power BI a great choice? Power BI is best for organizations that need an affordable, user-friendly BI tool with strong Microsoft ecosystem integration. It is ideal for financial analysts, small to medium businesses, and corporate teams that need a powerful yet budget-friendly analytics solution. So now let's talk about Tableau. W is a high performance BI platform known for its interactive dashboards, AI powered analytics, and powerful data visualization capabilities. It is widely used in finance, healthcare, and enterprise environments that require advanced analytics. For its key features and benefits, first is its best in class data visualizations. W excels at creating interactive dashboards, geospatial maps, and AI driven analytics. This makes complex data easy to understand through visually appealing insights. Another key feature is the real time and in memory data processing. Users can connect to live data sources or use in memory storage for faster performance. This ensures quick analysis without compromising data accuracy. Another key feature is its advanced AI and predictive analytics. W integrates with Einstein AI or Salesforce for automated trend analysis and predictive modeling. This helps organizations make data driven predictions for future planning. So why is W a great choice? W is best for enterprises, data analysts, and industries that require powerful analytics and visualization capabilities. It is widely used in finance, healthcare, government, and large scale organizations where in depth reporting and AI driven insights are critical. So, which BI tool is right for you? So, each BI tool has its strengths and is suited for different business needs. Looker is perfect for data driven organizations that need advanced modeling, real time analytics, and seamless Google Cloud integration. Power BI is ideal for small to medium businesses looking for an affordable and user friendly solution with Microsoft integration. And W is the best choice for enterprises and data analysts who require high end data visualization and AI powered analytics. So, whichever tool you choose, investing in a BI platform will help you unlock deeper insights, improve decision making, and drive business success in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.